Army. Pak Army is also wanted this one for in the Indian. Why the Indian people says that Army is not understandable to our English and everybody. He is not talented. He will not Army. So there will be a reason. Our Pak Army, our ISI, our ISPR is a danger, is a stranger, alike to Pak Army. Everybody and everyone's tenor. I have like to do. I have focused. We all Pakistani. We have love to Pak Army, and the Pak Army is one of the most. There is a lot of kind of this ISI, Pak Army, Frontier Corps, and we have to do practice whenever we are going to some information about the India. India is not good from the every one country.
नारे तकबीर! नारे तकबीर! नारे तकबीर!
So,
मोदी कुत्ता
हाय हाय!
मोदी कुत्ता
हाय हाय!
मोदी कुत्ता
हाय हाय!
मोदी कुत्ता
हाय हाय!
sir, he will also contact the Modi dog. He is not talented. He will not talented to the Imran Khan. He will not talented to the Kamal Javed Bajwa. He will not talented to the DGI of the ISPR. And our stranger, he is a talented. He is one of the most beneficial. He is one of the most likable. So this is my topic to you and everybody. I like to Pak Army and everyone frustration. The Indian people is also wants